Hello, once again, good evening to all my friends. Actually, this is a remake of my video which I have already made the roles and responsibility to RSM. Due to the voice quality, the is not very audible. So, based on the friend's request, I have once again creating this video. The matter almost same. Something will be I have added. Regional sales manager. It's generally called in a pharma industry. It's a second line manager also, and first medical rep to become ASM, then ASM become RSM. So what happened when people go for interview RSM, even though sometimes I also taken interviews, when you ask for the roles and responsibility, so they are not able to answer these questions. What is the roles and responsibility of RSM? So for helping them, I have just made this video, and the already existing RSM also who are working, they know all the facts, but it's some just still nine. They have point I had discussing. So as you know, RSM is a very important layer of any organizations. So it is very clear. RSM should be very clear and his roles and responsibility. RSM is the last stop for process management and first step for strategic management. And broadly, we can divide the roles and responsibility also into six parts. First is you can say it's a business related. Second is a distribution related. Then third is a people related. Fourth is a market related. And fifth, you can say it's a administration related or finance related. Sixth will be finance related. Then the number one point I had told business because RSM, the name itself says regional sales manager, so he is there for business only. So achieving business target, this is the main roles and responsibility of RSM. Planning growth for next year, that is also important. And has to work as a profit center for the organization. Then the second point is if you say it's a distribution. Distribution means a stockist appointment. This is a part of sometimes it's a, you can say distribution, stockist, CFA. All these are part of a distribution. So selection of a right distributor, this is very important. It may be stockist, CFA both. Then maintain ROI of distributor, ensure availability of as per our the range product ranges we are having, ensure availability as per the targets. What are the target we are having, that accordingly we have to make available, so that if the primary is built, then secondary will be done also. Ensuring payments from the stockage. Generally farm industry, we give 21 days of site. Most of the company they tend that way. Or according to the strategy, RSMS to ensure the collection of payments and settlement of claims. That's very important because in farm industry it's a thing. Product gets expired, so their settlement has to be done. The RSM has to verify, and at that time they should receive the expiry. There, every company having certain time period for 3 months, 6 months. After that, the company do not receive expiry and they don't settle also. So RSM has to take care of it also. So settlement of claims are timely. Then third is the pupils related, because as you know, pupil is, I am saying it's a basically manpower, because RSM is basically he has to select a good team, and accordingly he has to get his work done. So first responsibility, you can say, it's a selection of a right candidate, because this is a very crucial. If you're selecting a right candidate, so your 80% 90% work will be done. Then induction of a new staff in a field, because you are a field job, so your RSM has to, if ASM is there, so RSM by himself is inducted to his ISM. If SO is there or medical representative, so he will make it arrangement, KSM will do his induction, or RSM may also do as per the requirement. Then planning and monitoring work of field staff, that is very important, like to program how he, where how he has to do, and he has to take monitoring also. If they are following it or not, field staff is following or not, that also be ensured. Then coaching and guiding, RSM has to coach and guide to his team also. This is very important. And coaching I have discussed detail in ASM roles and responsibility also, like tap it in potential, all these is there, create environment. So many things are there that you can go in that video. Then motivating entire team. It's a very important, because motivation in terms of the financial motivation may be there, or reward oriented recognition, non-financial. So because there is a one phrase is there, different stroke for different folks. So everybody have a different way of motivating. Some may motivate from finance, some may for recognition. So according to that, RSM should decide how he can motivate entire team. Then He has to remove obstacles. So this is also one responsibility for RSM. So he has to remove the obstacle in a field. Then he has to make team also. So team building is also very important. Team building in itself is a very big topic. But in short, you can say team building. Matlab, so many things are there. Because RSM success depends on team only. If he has appointed a good team, so definitely he will be successful. Teamwork you can full form. You can say together everyone achieve more. That is the simple. So just I will not go in very detail in teamwork. The fourth point is related roles responsibility. So first of all, selection of a right territory, right headquarter, according to the product range of the company or brand division, which division they are handling. So you have to plan the headquarter also. So selection of a right territory is very important. Then prepare right beat plan. Beat plan matlab he has to ensure the entire town is some parts. So that is called, see it calls beat. Accordingly, uh, like for any example, you have to divide in a city certain part 10 to 12, so that every beat area there will should be 10 12 director. So he has to ensure the proper right beat plan. Then selection of a right customer accordingly to the company specialty, company product range. He has to ensure the right customer list. Then decide effective coverage plan. That is very important for RSM because customer list basis they are not properly met by the field staff, so there no fun in keeping in a list. So that is also very important. Solving problems, that is also required. And periodic updating customers. Every 3 months, we called in a pharma, 3 months is a quarter. Every quarter the doctor list should be changed. If doctor is not prescribing after meeting 6 months, so we should change the doctor. Not necessarily there are nowadays 150 200 doctors are there. In a city you can find 4 to 500 doctors. Why to keep doctor unnecessary? Either you find a way why what is the problem with the doctor, why he is not prescribing. Actually, periodically updation is required. Sometimes I seen when doctor transfer medical lab is still keeping in a list. So that RSM has to ensure that if doctor is by any reason they are not able to meet the, they should find out and it should be immediately corrected or changed. Then fifth, you can say analysis or admission related roles and responsibility. In this, he has to analyze the value wise sales, product wise sales, stock statements. He has to analyze expense statement of a team, ASM and ISO both. Then daily work reports, implementation of whatever the strategy is planned by the company that has to be ensured by the RSM that should be implemented properly. Then development needs of a team. If anybody is required training, anything is there, so that has RSM has to send name to training department. It is there. Then finance related, which is very also important because the RSM has to ensure the increase of sales. Then he has to reduce the expenses and improve the sales cost ratio. He has to increase the sales so and reduce the cost. And he has to work as a profit center, which I already discussed in the first point. So here, this is all the main points of roles and responsibility RSM. I think this will help to many ASMs who want to become a RSM or existing RSM. They for them also they will go if sometimes something they are missing, so they can also understand. So here was all in this video. Thank you very much. Have a good day. If you like this video, to definitely you share it, and you can also subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.